If I could go back to the day I opened my brokerage account, I wouldn't change what I bought. I'd change the way I thought about investing, and that would have saved me years. So listen up. Not because I found a better investment, because I finally learned how investing actually works. And nobody ever explained it to me like this before. When I first started investing, I thought the goal was to find the perfect stock, the next company that was going to take off, the next big opportunity. I thought all the great investors were smarter than everyone else. Looking back now, I couldn't have been more wrong about that. The people building wealth aren't chasing the next big winner. They're building habits. And that's the part nobody talks about. If I could give my younger self one piece of advice, it would be this: stop trying to get rich overnight. Start trying to become a better investor, because those are two completely different things. I spend way too much time watching financial news, checking my portfolio, looking for opinions, searching for winners, looking for somebody to tell me what to buy. I thought information would make me successful. What I really needed was experience. Experience changes the way you think. The first market correction feels like the end of the world. The fifth correction feels like just another Tuesday. You can't skip that process. You have to live through it. That's where confidence comes from. Experience turns into knowledge. Knowledge turns into wisdom. And wisdom changes your behavior. You stop chasing, you stop panicking, you stop feeling like you have to do something every time the market moves. That's when investing becomes simple. You make your contributions, you buy quality investments, and you move on with your life. Then you repeat the same thing next week and the week after that. The biggest mistake I made wasn't buying the wrong stock. It was believing there was a shortcut. There isn't. Building wealth is supposed to be boring. It's supposed to take time. That's why so few people stick with it. Today, I don't care about finding the next big winner. I care about following my system, because the system gives me something that chasing stocks never did: peace of mind. That's why I started this channel. Not because I have all the answers, because I have the experience. And if sharing that experience helps someone avoid years of wasting the same mistakes I did, then every video is worth making. If you're just getting started, stop looking for the perfect stock. Stop looking for the perfect time. Start building the habits that your future self will thank you for, because one day you'll look back and realize it was never about finding the perfect investment. It was about becoming the kind of person who could stay invested long enough for this process to work for you. That's how experience becomes knowledge, and knowledge becomes wisdom. Remember, stay disciplined and consistent.